it's our country. When we criticize, we have this concept that this is not about seeking power. This is about trying for the government to seek action, to point out. This is constructive criticism and should not be seen as a measure that we are trying to create a situation where the government would take it an issue or join issues with us. Our point is, 3 years we have just held a mirror of what's happening. Now this mirror may be cracked, there may be perceptions about it that we are not correct. Correct us where we are wrong. You're there. You're the messenger who's sending out the message. I was here last time on demonetization, and we made a point at that time that demonetization has its side effect. Every medicine has side effects, but you can't have a situation where the side effects are more dangerous than the cure, circumstances being what it is. We are seeing things happening. We were told that demonetization would disconnect with terrorist activities, black money would be wiped out, corruption reduced. But today when I woke up to read your Goa papers, I heard about the collector collecting a huge amount of money. So, I mean, these are measures that need to be taken. This is not about a political party or B political party. So we are trying to tell you that corrective actions are required. And how are we going to address these issues? Budget for the education sector has been cut drastically. The education is a certain basic requirement for this country's growth and the future of this country. Students are students. University is a place where the new generation will express their views. Whether it's the Congress party, BJP, left, right, center, opinions shaping out in the universities shape this country.